Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Now, today's videos as you have gathered from the thumbnail, this is regarding Realme Buds Wireless. This is a long-term review because I'm used this earphone for a period of around 2 to 3 months now, and I'm actually very satisfied with this earphone. So I thought, why shouldn't I bring a video and let you guys also know that how good these earphones are. Basically, these are Bluetooth 5 neckband earphones. So we'll be talking in depth about these, but before that, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, I keep bringing such technology videos, so please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get the update whenever I upload a new video. Before moving ahead, let's get finished with the intro. So let's go ahead, let's start. So now guys, these are Realme Buds Wireless, and you get this box exactly with the earphones. It's a nice presentation from the Realme company, and you get a sleeve type of a box. You have to push the box and then you will be presented with the earphones. So I have already removed the earphones. As you can see, it is around my neck. You get that inside over in this cavity. It is well placed in this inside the cavity, so it will not get damaged during the transport. And this is a sleeve which you get. So moreover, this is the box, and inside this bigger box you get one more box which is a smaller box, and inside this small box basically you get the user manual. You can read this because this explains you in a great depth like how can you use this earphones. And apart from that, you get a small charging cable which is a micro USB cable, which is used with any phone adapter which you are having, which is the phone charging adapter. You can connect this and the other end goes inside the earphone and you can charge the earphones. Apart from both these things, you get the ear tips. There are two pair of ear tips, and one is actually on the earphone itself. So according to the size of your ear, you can actually adjust these ear tips on the earphone, and I actually suggest you please adjust this according to your ear properly, because this will be giving you a good sound in terms of sealing of your ear. So if the ear is properly sealed, it will be having a good noise cancellation from the background surrounding. So in that case, you'll be having a good experience listening to the music. Basically, this is called as a passive noise cancellation. So it is ENC basically, and so do that whenever you get this earphones, because there are good choice of tips which is given by the company itself. Now coming on to the specifications of these earphones, basically this earphone comes with a 11.2 mm drivers, which are the drivers you can see over here. So these are actually inside a metal build. These are also magnetic, so you get magnetic touch control. As soon as you release the magnet, the earphone starts, and whenever you touch the magnet back, it stops. And you also get a LED notification light over here, which is blue in color. So as soon as you separate the magnets, it starts blinking blue. That gives you an intimation that the earphone has already started. I feel that you can make it out from here. This is the module where all the controls are present. So this is the light. Now it starts blinking blue. See, it is blinking blue right now because I've separated the drivers, so it has started. And also there are three buttons which are present on this module over here, which is the volume down, volume up, and the central button which is for controlling the play and pause of the music, and also for receiving, and you can see over here the center button is for receiving calls also. So these are the three buttons which are present on this earphones. And apart from that, the quality of the silicone strap, I actually love the quality of the silicone strap, because the earphones are actually quite flexible, so you can carry it around very nicely. Like if you can just see, you can just squeeze it anyhow and you can actually put it in your pocket. So these are very flexible in build, and the build is also really nice. And there are actually two modules over here. One is the module for the buttons over here, and the second module over here is for the battery. The battery is inside this module. So this is how the entire earphones are built. Now coming on to the specifications, I actually used this earphone for a period of 2 months, and the earphones have given me a good battery backup. Like I've got a battery which stands to the period of around 10 hours to 11 hours, and the period which is mentioned on the box, that is for the ideal condition, it says that it will be working for 12 hours. So I've got anything about 10 hours of continuous playback with these earphones, because these earphones goes for sometimes if I listen to music and also take calls, so this go for a period of around 2 to 3 days. So calculating that way, this have given me a strong battery backup which is more than 10 hours period. Now there is also a charging socket, which is the micro USB charging socket, which is on the module, which is with the buttons. You can see over here. Here there is a micro USB socket. So it is on the same module on which the buttons are located and the LED light is located. So you can charge it with any micro USB cable which you are having. So that would be fitting inside that socket to charge these earphones. These earphones come with a in-ear type of a design. You can see there is a in-ear type of a ear tip over here, and these also come with a collar which fits really nice inside your ear. Now coming down to the music experience of this earphone, so I will suggest this earphone for people who love music, because these earphones, as I've told you in the specification, that it comes with a big 11.2 mm drivers. At this cost you get 11.2 mm drivers, which is really good specification, because personally to my taste, I like the music which is on the optimum level, like that doesn't produce huge thumping bass, and also the trebles are on the optimum level, which are balanced in these earphones. In case of Realme Buds Wireless Pro, the bass is on a heavier side, so the people who like heavy bass production sound, so that earphone would be sufficing the needs of that people. But the people who like to hear more of classical music, the music which is more of over a treble side and the bass is balanced, so these earphones will be coming quite handy in that sort of a situation, because these produce really good sound on a balanced level. And the 11.2 mm driver also doesn't let the bass fade down. The bass is also on the optimum level. So for listening to classic music, for the Bollywood songs, you will be experiencing a good result from this earphone. So I find the sound really on a balanced scale. So that's the reason why I made this video, to suggest you that below 2000 rupees, now that these earphones are available at 1800 rupees, this will be a really good choice. It makes them a really good choice if you're looking in for a Bluetooth 5 earphones below 2000 rupees. So just go with this. Now guys, these earphones, when I have purchased these earphones, I paid a cost of around 1999, which is 2000 rupees approximately for these earphones. And currently these earphones are available on Flipkart and Amazon at the rate of 1799, which is around 1800 rupees. So that makes this earphones as a very good proposition, because these are Bluetooth 5 earphones, and according to the rate which you're going to pay for these earphones and the quality which these earphones deliver, those are of next level. I'm absolutely giving you my review in terms of, I've used this earphone for a period of 2 months and I've absolutely faced no problem, and the sound quality which this earphone produce are of next level, because the rate which you're paying for these earphones and the cost to quality ratio which you're getting for these earphones are absolutely to the mark. So you can absolutely go with these earphones. And secondly, I've used these earphones for my daily activities, like for gymming and for running purposes also. So the band which you get with this earphone, the soft silicone band, it is actually of a very superior quality. Like this have taken a lot of abuse from my side, and a lot of sweat they have taken, but still the quality, it remains really nice. These are really strongly built earphones, and the quality and the color of these earphones have not deteriorated from any side. And I also strongly suggest that whenever you're taking these earphones, just go with this color, the metallic green color, which is available for this particular earphones, and because this looks really nice when you're carrying it for your day in day out activity. And there is one more color, which is the yellow and black color, but that color is on bit typically on a funky side, but this looks a bit classy, and it looks really nice. As you can see, I'm wearing it and it looks a bit classy. Now guys, these earphones come with IPX7 certification. That means these are totally sweat proof. So whenever you are in a day-to-day, in your day in day out activity, like when you are gymming or also running, you don't have to take extra caution or extra care in regards to your sweat entering these earphones, because these are completely sweat proof. and also in sort of mild rain conditions also you can use this earphone carefree. Secondly, my usage with the earphone in terms of call quality, like these earphones are having absolutely one of the best earphone I've observed. Like whenever I was calling, even in case of wearing one earpiece in my ear and receiving a call, the audio quality of the call was absolutely spectacular. And also on the other end, whenever I was speaking to someone, he was not facing any kind of problem in hearing my voice on the other end. So these microphones in these earphones are absolutely of a very good quality, and also in regards to the distance of the microphone from your mouth, even at a considerable distance, even if I was holding the earphone in my hand and speaking, still the person on the other hand was able to hear the voice crystal clear. So the microphones on these earphones are one of the best I've felt. So guys, that's it regarding Realme Buds Wireless. I hope you like the video, and you know the regular drill. If you like the video, thumbs would be appreciated. If you love the video, subs would be appreciated. Do stay on to the channel because I keep bringing such videos. And these earphones at the rate of $17.99 currently. These are a steal deal. You can just go ahead and purchase this earphone, sorry. And I absolutely recommend this if you're looking for a budget earphones which are under 2000 rupees. These are of really high quality. So you can go and mark this out and just purchase it. This earphone has complete recommendation from my side, and you will not be dissatisfied. So that's it. Meet you in the next one. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye.